Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel and my latest video, which is a normal, mundane, everyday housework and cleaning video. However, I am pregnant in this video. I believe I was about 12 weeks pregnant when I filmed this, and I have all day morning sickness, hence the constant puffing and moaning and groaning and looking like everything's an effort. So I decided to set a timer. I'm going to set the timer for 60 minutes. I'm going to go for it for an hour, and then I'm going to reward myself at the end, which you will see at the end of the video. I'm going to start my session with some laundry. I'm going to empty a couple of these laundry bags into this basket, take it downstairs and put on a load of laundry. Everything feels like such an effort at the moment. Things which would take me seconds before are taking so much longer. So even putting on a load of laundry just seems to take me forever. But I'm going to put it on, and then the sound of the washing machine will hopefully make me feel more productive. There is a little bit of washing on the line that needs to come down, so I'm just going to take this off and fold it ready to be taken upstairs. Into the kids' play area, and I'm just going to tidy up because they got some toys out before they went to school this morning, and I want a clear space because I am going to vacuum. Normally I would vacuum like twice a day, guys, in my pre-pregnancy life, but at the moment I literally do it more like twice a week, and I hate it. I hate looking at the floor and just seeing constant crumbs everywhere. So I told myself that I would vacuum the entire downstairs of the house thoroughly. So that is what I'm doing. I thought about rolling up this playmat, but honestly, like, I feel so lethargic and fatigued at the moment. I was like, I'll just pick it up and vacuum under it. That'll be fine. Under the dining table has been a particular sore point for me. I'm normally very quick to grab the Hoover after meal times because my kids love to make a mess, but it's just been building up, and every time I look under the dining table I just want to heave, more so than normal. So I'm making sure I get every last crumb. I'm also going to take the vacuum down the hallway and into the living room here, but as you can see, my darling fiance has left his golf clubs in the living room, which he loves to do. Does anyone else's other half do this? It literally drives me up the wall. I'm going to move them out of the way so that I can vacuum. I get asked about this vacuum all the time, so I will tell you what it is. It is the Bosch Unlimited 7, and I love it so much. It also has this clever feature, which you'll see me use here, where you can unclip it and you can bend it so it can go underneath furniture, which is so handy. And I can also easily take off the little handheld attachment to do bits like this. Next up, I'm going to mop. I'm going to use this brand new Flash Power Mop. I've never used this before. I went to an event with Flash the week before I filmed this and was gifted this gorgeous power mop. It sprays the product onto the floor, like in front of the mop, and then you just mop it up. So it was you'll see me get this stain off the floor like so easily. It was so easy to use. So like when I'm in this condition and I do not want to get out a mop and bucket, this is heaven sent. I mopped all through the kitchen, and then I also went into the kids' play area as well, making sure that I mopped their playmat. Obviously they're on here a lot, so usually I would clean it by hand, but I'm doing the quick mop version. I've also got my dust magnet, my flash dust magnet, which is the quickest, easiest way to do dusting. If you feel like you want to do a quick, easy cheat, then this dust magnet is a must-have. You literally just slide it along the surfaces and it just grabs the dust so quickly and easily. You can go around objects, you don't necessarily have to move them like I have. It's good at going like in between objects too. It just depends if you can be bothered to pick stuff up or not really. I'm going to go into all these little like fiddly display cabinets and things because oh my gosh, there's like 2 months worth of dust just sitting here looking like Mrs. Havisham's mansion, and I could not wait to get in there and get rid of it all. As you can see, I picked up quite a decent amount of dust, so I was pretty happy with that. I'm going to go in and clean all of the bathroom sinks using my Scrub Daddy Soap Daddy. This is filled with a mixture which is half dish soap and half white vinegar. It is the perfect magical solution to clean multiple surfaces, but things like this, it's so quick and easy. If you're feeling like me and you're not up to doing like a really intense clean, this is just one tool, one object in your hand that will clean the entire sink, and it leaves it really sparkling too because of the white vinegar that's mixed in with the dish soap. So I'm just going to take this handy little Scrub Daddy. I'm going to do all 3 or 4, I think I did, bathroom sinks around the house so that they're all done. Next, I just wanted to clean the downstairs toilet. This is the one that's used the most by the boys. So I just wanted to take a minute to spray it down with a blue cloth and a bathroom spray. There's also a tough limescale stain. Can you see just at the bowl? That's not what you think it is. That's a hard watermark. And I'm using this elbow grease tablet. I probably should have left it in there a little bit longer, but I left it in for a while, came back with a toilet brush and gave the bowl a good scrub just to try and get rid of the hard watermark. But by the time I'd done the toilet, my 60 minutes was up, so I popped to the supermarket to get some food for Clint because I can't cook, so he lives on ready meals, and cereal and Pepsi for me because that is all I eat in the evenings. I also treated myself to McDonald's breakfast because it's one of the few things that I really enjoy eating at the moment. I put on my favourite show. I should not have to tell you what this is, and I treated myself because I worked hard for an hour, and that's my day pretty much done. Guys, thank you so much for watching my pregnant clean with me. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one.